Have you ever sent a video through Samsung Messages and wondered why the quality looked different? That's because your phone decides how to compress the video, but you can actually control it. Here's how to set the shared video quality on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. First, open Samsung Messages app. Tap three dots in the top right corner, and then tap Setting. Tap Chat Setting. Now select Shared Video Quality. Here you will see several options. Original sends the video in full quality, but it may take longer to send and use more data. Network Default, it adjusts the quality automatically based on your mobile network. This is a great balance between quality and speed. And always ask to prompt you to choose every time you send a video. As the example, we will select Network Default to keep things simple while still looking good. And that's it. By setting your shared video quality, you get more control over how your videos are sent. No more surprises on the other ends. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.